afternoon. I'm just going to give you a little demonstration on how to look after your flowers at Mother's Day. Firstly, each design will come with this little care pack on, which has got our business card in and a flower food. Now the flower food, you need to mix it in a jug like so, and it'll tell you how much water to put in. Mix it in a jug and then that's ready to top up your flowers. Now some people leave the bouquet in the box because sometimes people don't have a large enough vase to actually put the flowers in. So if you are going to leave it in the box, all you need to do is use the flower food water and tip it through the centre of your bouquet, and as you can see it's filling up. Obviously you've got to watch that it doesn't come over the top of there or else you'll get a wet carpet. But just a quick one as well, this is our 49th year of doing Mother's Day. Amazing. Right, so if you don't want to keep it in that box, what we suggest you do is take this over to a sink or else you'll get a wet carpet. Snip, as you can see, snip the ribbon off, like so, and just let all the water come away, like that. So then you're left with this. Now you can leave this outer packaging on, you know, the lovely cellophane, because we think it looks nice with it on. And what you need to do is just trim a little bit off the stems, because what happens is it gives it a really fresh cut, and then the water will be taken up the stem. And then you place it in your own vase, like so, like that. Now, if you don't want to keep the cellophane off, because these have been expertly arranged, just take all the cellophane off, like so. Take it all off, obviously throw it in the bin, and then you can place it in your own vase and it's ready arranged for you. So that's that one. And if you receive any of our flowers and they're in a nice fancy vase, again, mix the water and keep that topped up daily. Every few days, just trim the ends and it helps the water get up. This is one of our other designs. This is what we call our Miller's gift box. This is kind of a dainty, shorter design to the big hand tied. And what we do, we arrange the flowers in the green oasis, the foam. So this doesn't need any further arrangement. All you need to do is just part the cellophane and just top it up with water. Again, making sure it doesn't come over the top of there. So I hope that's been a bit of help with your Mother's Day flowers, and happy Mother's Day.